doing? Even when I take an off week in my micro bakery, I can't really take an off week. This week I was experimenting with freshly milled grains. Are you done? My goal is to use freshly milled grains more and more in my sourdough baking this year. So this week I decided to do a few different experiments. I used hard white wheat berries in this loaf. I only did 10%. I used einkorn berries in this loaf, about 20%. I baked these in my Chanley Pico Plus bread ovens, and I like a dark crust, so I got mine nice and toasty. So this is the whole wheat loaf. It already feels so nice. Look at that. It looks so good. It looks amazing. I'm so happy with that. It feels so light and airy. Wow. I love it. And this was my 20% einkorn loaf. It does feel a tiny bit heavier than the whole wheat all-purpose combo. But I've never had einkorn, so I don't really know what to expect. That's beautiful. Whoa. Does that look so good? It smells so good. You smell it? Smell it. Look at that. I'm so happy with that. I used the same hydration for both of them, but I would increase the hydration on the einkorn loaf. But I've been playing around with my temps in my oven as well so that I can get a little bit of a golden brown bottom with the top browning about the same, more evenly. And I feel like I got it down this week.